Hello and welcome. Welcome to the channel of the Nasdaq scalping bot. The Nasdaq scalping bot is a Python program which is made to do some automated trading on the Nasdaq with as a goal to have some passive income. And in a daily report, I show you guys what the bot did, what did I change in the code, and how are we doing on the market. And it's Friday, so we're not only going to look how we did today, but we're also going to look how we did in the entire week. Yeah. So, let's see how we did. And as usual, we start with the code. And now let's grab the code screen. And did I make changes in the code? And I'm thinking about, did I make? Yes, I did make some changes in the code, but not that large. I was thinking about in the contracts, and we split the code up. And I put the new code on GitHub. So if you want to have the code, there is a GitHub account with the Nasdaq scalping bot where you can find the code to this program. And I will put up a new in the next weekend because I know we're gonna make some changes again. But what did I change in? Yeah, I changed in the code yesterday for today, and you see it right here. Print new contract, boo, contract is open, and print contract closed, boo, is contract open, should be false. Right here, boo, contract open, true, boo, contract open, false. And the bot did not do this, so I want to know why is he only opening one instead of multiple. One is he only opening one, and yesterday it was opening several. So there was something wrong in what is going on. And now we see for today, if you look down here, the print, he opened one position today, one contract with a stop loss distance of 45, and then a new contract true. And what I do not see is the contract closed. So there is something wrong in the new order of things, in the order of the things. So I need to look at it this weekend. What is wrong? Some more time than just an hour in between market close and new market opening. So, but that's what I did change yesterday to see what was wrong. But that was for the reason that there were two contracts opened right after each other, while there only should be one contract open. Now I see that there is only one contract opened, and the stop loss triggering, of course, we have a trailing stop loss. So the trailing stop loss did close the contract, but the bot did not pick it up that there was a contract closed. So that's what I need to change this weekend. If we're gonna look at the bot, then we're gonna switch to the bot. We see that the bot had a buy or sell, and I don't know what. Let's take a look in the code, or you cannot see the code. Let's grab the code with it. No, you cannot see. You can only see that there was a position opened, but I cannot see if the buy or sell. And in the bot, you don't see either if it is a buy or sell because it's still neutral. So contract size, total profit start, all are not there. So something is wrong with the order in some handling of the functions. And he did work perfectly yesterday and the day before, except that he opened 2 contracts at one time. There's something wrong. Which also means that if we're going to look at the market in a close-up state, that there was some action on the market, and I don't know if these are really large candles or not. It looks like this one is a large one and slowly went up. So yeah, there was at the market, but if we're going to look at the reports, then I will find, yeah, you see one position open today, and it was triggered by a stop loss of €8, and it should have been triggered much earlier, like those ones you see right here, around €4. They should have been triggered as in kill. This is not good. Yeah. The bot did not function today as I hoped it should be, because I was yesterday rather positive, as in, whoa, one more day testing and then we can go on with fine-tuning. And now I have to go back into the code. It's not a large change, but I have to find out where does it go wrong. Back to the code screen. Then I grab the market condition CSV for today, and I'm not sure what today is, so I have to take a look, because we have a new day. It should be the 28th. Yes, there's the 28th. We had a slow market all the way down. I see 0.1, 0, 0, 0. Did we had an active market? There's one normal market at 0.2. Another normal market twice for 0.3. And then again 0.3, 4, and 4. And then 0.3. And then a rather active over 3, 3, 3. And then a 2 again. And then a 3. Yeah. What I'm thinking about is, should I raise the bar of normal and slow market to 0.3, but not at this moment, only if the bot opens too many contracts during a day. Then I can say, okay, guy, this is not good. We're gonna raise it up to 0.3. But for 0.3 as a normal market, I see we had a lot of those. But for now, I still leave it on 0.2 until the bot actually opens several contracts during the day, and then we can say, okay, it's too much and we have too much losses, or we say it's right away, the losses with the profits are compensated, so don't worry, let's go on. But I cannot do this. Sadly, I cannot. Well, let's go back to the market again. And let's take a look at the market itself, because we had a downtrend the last couple of days in the US 100. So I take a 1 day for now. Whoa. We had a blue day today. Back up to, back up, if I make this, back up the downtrend line. I already noticed this is the trend line I set out. We are in a downtrend, and he reaches back up too. So yeah, the MACD says we had a down in several, but we had a blue day today. Let's take a look at Tesla. We are at 1 day. Tesla had a blue day, so good. Nvidia, a blue day after a large red candle yesterday. They had now a blue candle and they went fairly down right here. Google, also the last several days only going down, down, down. Had also a blue day today, but not strong enough to compensate for the rest of the days. Intel, blue day. In between, yeah, I had a downtrend for Google, for Intel, but it looks like this should be a new, but it's 2 days. In 1 week, nah. We will see. I suspect that this will be a sideways movement because we had a red candle, blue candle, red candle, blue candle. So this could be a sideways movement for Intel. Meta had a long period of blue candles going up, 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 and up. And now we are going down. And it's not that we are on a downtrend, although I see that we had a down, but they are not on the market they had. They were around this point, so around the 600, 620. So if they go back to the points they were, it's normal, but they had a blue day also today. Apple, a blue day, and Microsoft, a blue day. So all the big companies had a blue day today, which means that the US 100 had also a blue day. But in a slow motion, because if we look at the 5 minutes, we see hardly any candles, large candles, all small candles, a bit going up, a bit going down, a bit going up, and a bit going down. So, yeah. Interesting Friday today. Let's see how we do for next week. Let's take a look at the VIX. This is the 1 day? No, of course, it's not the 1 day VIX. The 1 day VIX is right. We had a small blue day, which means we had a red candle in the VIX because they always each other's opposite. And yeah, you can see we had a small red candle, which means that we had a positive small day for the rest. And if I gonna look at this small candle right here on this point, then we get a large down. This small candle had several days going down. Yeah, I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but it looks like the VIX. Yeah. So if this happens and that happens, red candle down means a blue candle up, which means that the Magnificent Seven or other companies are going to buy a lot of shares of those companies, while I was expecting that they were going down. Well, this was the market for today. And how did we do this week? Well, I don't think that we did that well. This week started at, 21st of February? That we only had a lot of slow market. We started at 598 on Monday, and we ended on 568. So we had a loss of $30 during this week. We are at the end of the video, so if you like it, press like, press subscribe, leave a comment, and have a little fun every day. I wish you guys a very good weekend, and we will see each other again on Monday.